To determine employee is eligible and not eligible for promotion in column O cell, nest the AND function within an if function. Active this cell, click in formula bar, type equal sign, type if function, open bracket, type AND function, open bracket. I use same promotion criteria in test conditions as used in previous lecture. Click cell reference H2, enter greater than sign, enter equal sign, type 3, comma, click cell reference I2, enter equal sign, inverted comma, type FT, inverted comma, close bracket, comma. In value if true argument, type eligible, inverted comma, type eligible, inverted comma, type comma. In value if false argument, type not eligible, inverted comma, type not eligible, inverted comma, close bracket. How this formula work? If both test conditions are true, AND function will return the value true. As a result, if function will display the text eligible in cell reference O2. If one test condition is false, AND function will return the value false. As a result, if function will display the text not eligible in cell reference O2. If both test conditions are false, AND function will return the value false. As a result, if function will display the text not eligible in cell reference O2. Press enter. Active this cell. Function displays the text not eligible in this cell. Because in cell reference H2 and I2, you can see the values of these cells are not matched with AND function test conditions. First test condition is true, but second test condition is false. One test condition is false in both test conditions, so AND function returns the value false. As a result, if function returns the value not eligible in this cell. As a result, if function returns the value not eligible in this cell. Copy and paste the formulas in other cell. Active this cell. Move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. Active this cell. Function returns eligible in this cell. Because values of these cells are matched with AND function test conditions. In this way, you can nest the AND function with an if function.